Hello, my name is David. I'm managing coffee program and assisting product management at Nez Du Cafe. Today, I'm going to talk about Nez Du Cafe aroma kit. It is a good self-practice kit, and also it is good for game playing with a group of people. Before we talk about the details of this aroma kit, I'm going to talk about how practice the aroma kit is helping you detect flavors in coffee. So when we taste coffee, there are three sensations that work together: olfactory, gustatory, and trigeminal sensations. Trigeminal sensation is detecting the temperature and the texture. Gustatory sensation is detecting 5 basic tastes, which is acidity, sweetness, bitterness, salt, and umami. And the last one, the olfactory sensation, is actually detecting the flavor notes that we normally describe: fruity, nutty, or chocolatey. Those all the flavor notes are detected by olfactory sensation. So if you practice the aroma kit and learning and memorize the flavor notes, then it actually helps you to detect the flavors when you drink coffee. So this Nez Du Cafe 36 aroma kit comes with an instruction handbook with 36 bottles of aromas. All the list of the aromas are on our website. So this aroma kit covers positive notes to the negative notes. And half of these aromas are positive notes that you can find in coffee, and half of it is negative notes. When you smell the aroma kit, give a gentle shake. And then there are 2 ways you can smell. First, you can smell from the cap, or you can smell straight from the bottle. If you're going to practice longer than 30 minutes, I recommend to use the cap, not the bottle, because normally bottle give you a stronger smell, so it is really easy to make your nose tired in a short time. When you detect the flavor, you can start from the broad category to narrow down more specific notes. For example, you can start from fruit, nuts, chocolate, or savory notes. So this bottle smells like fruit, and then you can narrow down to the next step, more detailed fruit category. For example, berries, stone fruit, or citrus fruit. And then once you decide which one is close to this smell, so this one is close to stone fruit. So, and then after that, you can decide between more specific stone fruit notes. For example, peach, apricot, or plum. As I mentioned earlier, this aroma kit has broad range of coffee smells, from positive notes to the negative notes. But because it is limited to 36 samples, it doesn't give you all the coffee smells that you can find in the coffee drink. We have 2 options for Nez Du Cafe. We have set of 36 aromas and set of 6 aroma kit. We have both in French and English, and they're linked below. Thanks for watching an overview of Nez Du Cafe. We are uploading our video contents every Thursday, so please make sure to subscribe our channel. If you have any questions and comments, please leave a comment below. And until next time, happy brewing.